could fit in there, but I just want to thank you so much, New Hampshire, for the most beautiful and warm welcome. And I'll tell you, you are blessed to live in this gorgeous, gorgeous state.
How about some straight talk?
So beautiful, but
How about some straight talk about Joe Volvo and the Alaska Independence Party?
Hey!